Hi, you all. Today's topic is if someone treats you badly, remember you are not the problem. Is something wrong with them. So, if you find yourself in a situation and the person is treating you not like you want it to be treated and you know it's not right, walk away. Let it go. If somebody treats you bad, nothing is wrong with you, something wrong with them, but you love yourself and you respect yourself enough to walk away and not to go down to the level. Because a person like that is letting you know that the way he was brought up, that's all he know. But that doesn't mean that he got the right to treat you like that. You find yourself in a situation like that, you leave, because you can never, ever change nobody like that. They need therapy, they need counseling. First of all, they need to work on themselves. The priority is all of the other. Ain't nothing wrong with you loving them, forgiving them, but keep pressing forward, and don't you go back in that environment. That's an environment that nobody wants to live in. That's abuse. That's mental abuse. And especially if they keep doing it over and over and over, that's a pattern. They are used to it. You don't got to stay there and settle for less. No, you don't. And you don't got to stay there and let somebody crumble you up so bad that when you find somebody that's going to love you and want you, you'll be so crumbled up, you ain't going to be good for nobody. So you could definitely take that relationship, learn from it, walk away. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. It's going to take time, but don't stay in an abuse relationship. That's mental abuse. And then he don't respect you. He don't respect the relationship. He don't even respect himself. Most people like that don't care. And you can't use that as an excuse, because just the way you learn, there's a way that you could break a habit if you really want to. Everything takes time. It's not how you start, it's how you end. Because I'm a living testimony. And I stepped out one day and I said, I'm not taking the abuse no more. That's traumatizing. That's mental abuse. I deserve better. And I know I deserve better. I was just falling apart. And I had to catch myself. And I had to look in the mirror and say, no, I respect myself enough for me to walk away, for you not to call me no bitch, no whore. Tell me I am an animal. I fuck the monkey. I fuck the dog. No, I respect myself too much. That was mental abuse to me. That was detrimental to me. Things like that leave you traumatized, PTSD, anxiety. So remember, ain't nothing wrong with you, it's something wrong with them. And that's how they deal with the situation, because they don't want to take the blame for what they do. So they're going to always lash out on you, because remember, it's self-blame. They think they ain't doing nothing wrong. Something is wrong with you. No, ain't nothing wrong with you. There's something wrong with them. But you cannot tell them that because they cannot see, because they're inside of a box. But when you step out that box and you see clearly, you could look at that person and say, you know what, all this time, I thought that was a problem, but you need to check yourself. And you could say that because you're not in the relationship no more. You're not in that box no more. So they could recognize it and they could get help if they really want help. Because can nobody stop you from doing nothing you don't want to do. And you don't got to do it for the person. You do it for yourself, that when you get in another relationship, you don't take that baggage with you. That's baggage. That's trauma. That's pain. Plus, you're not going to be happy because no other person is going to put up with something like that if they know their worth. Right away, they're going to let you know this relationship ain't working. Your priority all of the other. You got to work on yourself. Then you could come back. But right now, you ain't fit for no relationship. You're not even fit for your own self. You need help. So remember, you respect yourself enough that you could walk away and you know your worth. Because anything that love you is not going to hurt you, not going to disrespect you, not going to put you down so bad every day. Come on, that first time, maybe you made a mistake and you had a bad day. But then you keep doing it. No, that's a pattern. And the words coming out of your mouth, you can't take it back. Because you said it, you meant it, and you know what you're saying. Because you did it not one, not two, but all the time. So that's a cycle. You got to break that cycle. That's a pattern you don't want. Because if you're not happy, he ain't happy, what kind of relationship you going to have? What kind? Who want to live in misery when you could do bad by yourself? And I'm a living testimony. I was living in misery, fear, fire. But I had to step out and lost everything to find me. It break me down so bad, but I didn't care. I needed it because I was in the box. I couldn't see clearly. Now I'm outside the box. I see clearly. And I know what word I expect to hear. So those names calling back there, I didn't know no better. But by going to group, being around positive people, the words that I'm supposed to hear is, you're beautiful. You better than that. You respect yourself. Love yourself. Be an example to yourself first, then your children. Say kind words. Build people up. Don't tear people down. Because words hurt and it's a scar that would never go away. Because whenever you hear negativity, it stays in here. It stays up in here. So if you find yourself in a situation like that, get into group. Get into therapy. Walk away. Don't let nothing stop you from being the person that you know that you are. Don't let nothing take away the peace of mind that you need so that you could have the life that you want in life. But don't settle. Don't give up. And don't let whatever negativity come into your life and take power and control. No, close that door and respect yourself enough to say, you're not speaking to me like that. You're not going to turn all that negativity around into my life that you know it's from you, but you're putting it on me. No, you and your negativity got to go. Because that's what they do. They take the negative from themselves and they put it on you. So they don't have to be the blame. Because remember, you is always the problem, not them. Self-blame. So you got to let them know. Take that negativity that you're trying to put on me and use it on yourself. And you check yourself. You the problem. You the one that need help. So till you get your priority together, you ain't good for nobody. Nobody. So I'm telling you, if someone treats you bad, remember, you're not the problem, it's them. But they cannot see until they work on themselves, get the help they need. Then, when they recognize it, then. But till then, that person ain't no good for nobody. And some of them just don't care. Some of them just wants to live like that. There ain't nothing you could do, but you don't let that stop you from reaching your goal. So whatever chips away from you with the negativity, it's okay. Just take it and build up on the positive, that you could look back. And when you hear those words again, you know what? It ain't nothing. That's the past. This the present. Plus, after a person see all that negativity, they see that it don't bother you no more. What else could you do to me? What else? So why stay in that situation when the person could use words that don't work? Then they go to physical. Real physical. You don't need that. No. You want somebody gonna love you, appreciate you, tell you the words that you need to hear. You're beautiful. I love you. Oh, you make my day. You're my queen. I thank God I met you. I thank God you come in my path. You want the words that you never hear from the negative person that you had. You want the words that you wanted to hear from him. You wanted to hear from the person that is willing to give you that chance to get to know you guys, get to know each other. You build up and you start talking to each other, and it goes the same way. Because when you guys are on the same page, it's a peace of mind and it works. But when one is off on the negative and one on the positive, it ain't going to work. So always remember, you both got to be on the same page. And it ain't going to be easy. You got your good, you got your bad. But remember, if you could work it out and you could talk it over and you know it ain't that bad, you okay. Because if it ain't like the relationship you had before, like they say, the relationship you had before compared to what you got. And you decide. You decide. Because remember, it's your happiness. But don't never, ever feel bad for leaving an abuser. Don't ever feel bad to tell the person how you feel. Love you guys. Hit like, share, subscribe. Patty Boss.